This evening we are going to go camping. We're going to take a look at the Ozark Trail 4-person instant A-frame tent. We're going to set it up. We're actually going to spend the night in it. It's supposed to be real easy to put up. It's supposed to be roomy and spacious. I did not bring a ground cover. I do recommend, if anytime you use a tent with a floor in it, to bring a ground cover. It saves a lot of wear and tear on your tent. But we're going to zoom out here. We're going to see how easy this thing is to put up. Probably the worst day so far to go camping. It's been raining. First of all, it's really not heavy at all. It's just big and gawky. Okay, I want to turn it around. I want the opening facing that way. It is quick enough to put up, but it's not done. We've got tent stakes and everything else to put out. So let's get this thing set up. This here's the inside of it. It's got a big window back there. That whole thing is a big screen. And if you want to let more air in, it's got a couple little cubby hangers right there for, I guess, your camping essentials, lights, whatever you want to bring in your tent with you at night. It does have an extension cord passed through here, and it's got a light hanger up there. It's got this little welcome mat. That's kind of a neat feature. It's actually very spacious. Now, this is not a 4-season tent. It is very much a light 3-season tent. But if you want to get the kids out, you and your honey want to go camping, and you don't have to pack it real far because it's big and bulky. It's not really heavy though. The entire setup took about 6 minutes. That's getting all the stakes in and everything. So anyhow, I'm gonna get everything set up and we'll come back and talk about this. I'm back home. This is the follow-up to my camping trip. Once I got the fire going and everything set up, I enjoyed camping. I lost all interest in making a video. The tent, the Ozark Trail, it says 4 people. I guess you could fit mom and dad, couple kids. Really, though, it'd be better as a 2-person with your gear. It worked out fine. It rained. It stayed completely dry inside. It wasn't a downpour or anything, so I can't say how it would do in a huge storm. But I had a great camping trip, so I would recommend this 100%. It's just an easy way to get out and enjoy the outdoors. Thanks for watching.